Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell Pepe Coin on Binance, making trading simple and easy to follow. First of all, open the Binance app on your mobile phone. Make sure you're logged into your account where you hold Pepe Coin Pepe. After opening the app, tap on the trend or trade option at the bottom middle of the screen. This is where you can access different trading options for coins. On the top left side of the screen, tap on Convert. This allows you to convert or sell your crypto coins easily. On the Convert page, tap on the Coins drop-down to see the list of available coins. Search for Pepe in the search bar and select it. After selecting Pepe, choose Sell on the left side. Set the amount you want to sell and select your preferred currency to receive. Once everything is ready, tap on Sell Pepe at the bottom of the screen. Your coins will be sold and the funds will appear in your account. And that's how you can quickly sell Pepe Coin on Binance in a few simple steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, comment below if you want more Binance trading tutorials or crypto tips.